Welcome to bestremoteworkers.com, your trusted virtual assistant for real estate operations. At bestremoteworkers.com, we specialize in providing affordable and efficient virtual assistants for real estate professionals in the USA, UK, and Canada. Our experienced team, based in India, offers comprehensive support for daily operations and admin tasks in the real estate industry, all at an unbeatable rate of just $4 per hour. Our real estate virtual assistant services include property listings management, upload, update, and maintain property listings on various platforms. Client communication, handle email and phone inquiries, schedule viewings, and follow up with leads. Appointment scheduling, manage calendars, book property showings, and coordinate with clients and agents. Document preparation, draft, organize, and store contracts, agreements, and other legal documents. Data entry and CRM management, update and maintain customer relationship management, CRM, systems and databases. Social media management, handle your social media presence, including content scheduling and engagement. Research, market research, competitor analysis, and property valuation research to help you stay ahead of trends. Marketing support, assist with email campaigns, online advertising, and other promotional activities to increase visibility. Why choose bestremoteworkers.com? Affordable pricing, access world-class real estate administrative support starting at just $4 per hour. Highly skilled virtual assistants, our team is trained in real estate operations, making sure your daily tasks are handled with professionalism and efficiency. Flexible and scalable services, whether you need full-time or part-time support, we offer customized solutions tailored to your needs. Get started today. To streamline your real estate operations, simply contact us at customer@bestremoteworkers.com or reach out via WhatsApp at +1 915 349 8858. Let us help you manage your administrative tasks and focus on what matters most, growing your real estate business.